I've just got home and just literally got off the bike and found that I've had a delivery for my next upgrade. So I'm going to fit it because I'm that keen. I've basically bought a Pyramid Plastics fender guard, and it goes just in here. Basically protects the spring from all the road dirt, and it sticks onto here, onto the back. So inside the bag, so first of all, okay, let's go step one back. The part number, okay, there you go. It's a Pyramid Plastic shock shield, and inside there you get a bit of plastic with Pyramid Plastics written on it. Okay, I'm not trying to, I don't work for Pyramid Plastics and I don't sell for them, but there you go. So you get that, get some stickers, fitting instructions, a little alcohol wipe, which is actually a primer as well, and that's important, and 4 little plastic clips in case you want to hard mount it. I don't want to hard mount it, so that's absolutely fine. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this onto the back the way it's designed, and that will protect my shock absorber. As I've already opened the bag, the very first thing I did was I cleaned the plastic. I then used the alcohol wipe, which was a primer as well, and that's important, and wiped the plastic with the alcohol wipe. Sorry, I keep saying alcohol wipe, it's not, it's a primer. It's important for a primer because that makes the adhesion of the pads stick. So I primed it, waited for it to dry, and then I've stuck on some 3M high impact tape in these 2 positions. The next thing to do is to wipe and clean, you can't quite see, the exhaust is still hot, those 2 parts. These 2 parts, this one here and this one here, these 2. So I'm going to clean those, primer them, then this exhaust is very hot. Put there. That's great. A nice little easy mod. I've decided to move to the other side of the bike so I don't keep burning my hand on the exhaust, because that is very, very hot. And I'm just going to apply primer to the 2 bits of plastic. Like that. Leave that to dry for a couple of seconds, and then I can fit that. What I'll have to do is come from the back and make sure it's fitted in the right place. Almost dry already. Because this is 3M pads and they are high impact or high adhesion, they will stick like the proverbial to a blanket. So literally once it's fitted, even though in the paperwork it says wait for 24 hours, it's good to go. It's never going to come off. I stuck some number plates to the front of my car with this stuff and it will never ever come off. So there we go. This is a one-time fit. that never going to come off now. And there you go. The final article as fitted to the bike. And it's only stuck on the top two parts. So as the suspension arm moves up and down, that will move past it. I think that looks really good. Nice, quick and easy mod. Another mod done. So thanks for that. Please like, subscribe, keep following. Loads more videos to come with the Tiger. Now time to go out, meet the Tiger Club and enjoy it. Keep it rubber side down.